Rev up your engine and get ready to gear up. We're about to take you on a wild ride through the world of car accessories. Amazon's got the latest and greatest gadgets to turn your ordinary ride into an extraordinary experience. Tired of struggling with stubborn bolts and nuts? Look no further than the WorkPro Ratchet Combination Wrench Set. These bad boys are built to tackle even the toughest jobs with ease. Crafted from high-quality chrome vanadium steel and plated with nickel, these wrenches are incredibly durable and reliable. The ratchet mechanism is smooth and precise, allowing you to work in tight spaces with minimal effort. With 72 teeth, you only need to turn the wrench 5 degrees to engage the ratchet, making it perfect for those hard-to-reach spots. And the 180-degree swivel head gives you maximum flexibility. This set includes 8 of the most common wrench sizes, from 5/16" to 3/4". So you'll always have the right tool for the job. Plus, the sturdy organizer bag makes it easy to store and carry your wrenches, keeping them organized and accessible. Upgrade your toolbox today with the WorkPro Ratchet Combination Wrench Set. You won't be disappointed. Flat tire? No problem. The analog tire inflator is your quick fix solution. Just plug it into your car's 12-volt socket, push a button, and watch your tire inflate in just 10 minutes. No tools, no fuss, no need to jack up your car or remove the valve core. With its easy-to-read dial display and pressure release valve, you're in complete control. Plus, it's TPMS safe and uses a non-toxic, environmentally friendly sealant that's approved by leading automotive manufacturers. Need a temporary fix? This sealant can get you back on the road for up to 100 miles or 3 days. But remember, it's a temporary solution. See a tire repair specialist as soon as possible. The analog tire inflator comes with everything you need, including a storage bag, extra sealant, and accessories for inflating sports balls. It's the perfect emergency tool for any driver. Tired of cloudy headlights that make your car look old and faded? Say goodbye to foggy lenses and hello to crystal clear headlights that will last for years. Our Headlight Restoration Kit is a game changer, guaranteed to pass inspection for the lifetime of your vehicle. With just a few simple steps, you can restore your headlights to their original shine. Our formula is so effective, it can last through hundreds of car washes. That means more time on the road and less time in the garage. Not only does our kit make your headlights look great, but it also saves you money. No more expensive replacements or professional detailing. Just apply our kit once and enjoy crystal clear headlights for years to come. Made in the USA and backed by our satisfaction guarantee, our Headlight Restoration Kit is the perfect solution for anyone who wants to keep their car looking its best. In a pinch, seconds can mean the difference between life and death. That's why the CRKT Exitool Emergency Multitool is a must-have for any driver. This compact tool packs a powerful punch with a seatbelt cutter and a glass breaker that can turn a dire situation around. The Exitool is designed to be always ready, clipping securely to your seatbelt, quick access in an emergency. And when you need it, it delivers. The seatbelt cutter slices through straps with ease, and the glass breaker can shatter even the toughest windows. But the Exitool is more than just a survival tool. It's also a practical, everyday companion. Glass breaker has a safety cone tip cover to protect you while it's stowed, and the reinforced handle is durable and textured for a comfortable grip. The CRKT Exitool Emergency Multitool is a small investment for a big payoff. It could save your life or the life of someone you love. Tired of worrying about your tires? The Time8 Tire Pressure Monitoring System M73 is the solution. This advanced system keeps you informed with 5 alarm modes, including fast leak, high-low pressure, high temperature, and sensor low-voltage alarms. Equipped with 4 long-lasting, low-power external sensors, the M73 is easy to install and can withstand harsh environments. Plus, it's solar-powered, so you don't have to worry about battery life. If there's no sun, you can also charge it via USB or cigarette lighter. The M73 automatically adjusts the display backlight, clear reading in any lighting condition. Different colors indicate different states. Blue for charging and working, red for alerts, and gray for standby or static. You can monitor up to 7 tires at once, including your spare. With its power-saving auto sleep mode and switch button, the M7 III is built to last. So, focus on driving and let the M7 III handle the tire monitoring. Sick of those gimmicky trim dressings that fade faster than a bad sunburn? Meet Cerakote Trim Coat, the real deal. This isn't just a temporary fix. It's a ceramic coating that lasts for over 2 years. Forget about greasy rags, messy applications, and products that promise the moon but deliver nothing. Cerakote Trim Coat is a restoration kit designed to bring your faded plastic trim back to life and protect it for years to come. With just a few wipes and a little elbow grease, you can transform your vehicle's appearance. No more greasy residue, no more ruined clothes. Just a stunning, long-lasting finish. Cerakote is the gold standard in ceramic coatings, trusted by top companies around the world. It's not just a product, it's a science. So, ditch the snake oil and invest in something that actually works. Choose Cerakote Trim Coat and experience the difference. Need more space for your adventures? The Tactic Rooftop Cargo Carrier is the ultimate solution. This bad boy is built like a tank, made from durable, all-weather materials that can withstand anything the road throws at it. What sets it apart? It's the dual-side opening design. No more contorting yourself into pretzels to load or unload your gear. Just open it up from either side and toss your stuff in. It's a game changer. Plus, it's super aerodynamic, so it won't slow you down or guzzle your gas. And with its secure locking system, you can rest easy knowing your gear is safe and sound. Ready to hit the road? The Tactic Rooftop Cargo Carrier is a breeze to install. Compatible with most crossbars and comes with everything you need to get it set up in minutes. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and hit the open road. Upgrade your ride with the Nilight TL01 6-inch oval red LED taillight. These bad boys are packed with 10 super bright SMD LEDs that light up the road like a beacon. With high brightness for turn brake lights and low brightness for tail lights, you'll be seen day or night. The Nilight TL01s are easy to install with surface mount grommets and a 3-prong waterproof plug. Just drill a 6.6-inch by 2.5-inch by 1.75-inch hole, pop in the grommets, and connect the wires. The unique ears on the lights and upgraded notches on the grommets ensure a snug, shake-proof fit. These lights are built to last. They're highly silicone-sealed with an IP67 waterproof rating. So rain, snow, or shine, they'll keep on shining. And they work on a 12-volt DC system. They're perfect for trucks, trailers, tractors, and more. So if you want to make your vehicle safer and look cooler at the same time, the Nilight TL01 6-inch oval red LED taillights are the way to go. Want to give your car a unique head-turning style? Look no further than Rust-Oleum 340558 Automotive Custom Chrome Spray Paint. This easy-to-use spray paint transforms your car's trim in just minutes, giving it a stunning chrome finish that's sure to get heads turning. It's perfect for rims, interiors, or striping, and it dries to the touch in just 10 minutes. No need for base coats or primers. Just spray it directly onto smooth surfaces and let it do its magic. The ultra-high gloss finish will give your car a distinct, on-trend look that's guaranteed to stand out. So if you're ready to take your car's style to the next level, grab a can of Rust-Oleum 340558 Automotive Custom Chrome Spray Paint and get ready to shine. Ever been stranded with a flat tire in the middle of nowhere? Don't let a roadside breakdown ruin your journey. The IMAYCC Car Jack Kit is your lifesaver on wheels. This handy kit boasts a powerful 3-ton scissor jack, capable of lifting everything from sporty sedans to hefty SUVs. Forget struggling with limited reach. The jack extends from a low 4.1 inches to a comfortable 17.3 inches, making it perfect for any vehicle. But the IMACC kit goes beyond just the jack. To complete tire-changing arsenal, packed with a ratchet wrench, lug wrench, gloves, and a convenient storage bag. Everything you need to tackle a flat tire fits neatly in your trunk, ready for any emergency. Durability is key, and this kit is built to last. High-quality materials ensure it can withstand even the toughest conditions, while the corrosion-resistant construction guarantees years of reliable service. Simplicity is another win. Scissor jack is a breeze to operate, and the tools are designed for maximum comfort and leverage. Universal compatibility works with most cars, SUVs, MPVs, and more. So whether you're a seasoned traveler or a weekend adventurer, the MACC Car Jack Kit is your essential roadside companion. Change a flat, remove a stuck wheel, or handle minor repairs, all with peace of mind. Plus, its compact size ensures it won't take up valuable cargo space. Need to diagnose or recharge your AC system? Look no further than the Vivo Home 110-volt 1/3 HP 4 CFM single-stage rotary vane air vacuum pump and R134A AC manifold gauge set kit. This powerful and versatile kit is packed with features that make it a must-have for DIYers and professionals alike. The vacuum pump is built like a tank with a die-cast aluminum housing and a non-slip rubber base. It's efficient, quiet, and easy to use, thanks to the ergonomic grip handle and built-in cooling fan. The manifold gauge set is a precision tool that helps you accurately measure pressure in refrigeration systems. It comes with a handy carrying bag and large viewing glasses for easy use. Plus, the color-coded hoses make it simple to identify the high pressure, low pressure, and filling sides of your system. With everything you need in one kit, Vivo Home Vacuum Pump and Manifold Gauge Set is the perfect solution for automotive air conditioning, HVAC work, refrigeration, and more. So why wait? Upgrade your toolkit today.